Hi guys, I have bad news. I forgot to water my plants yesterday and all of them wilted. The plants could not survive the heat. I thought they could since tall trees around us survive the heat and get water all the time. How do they do it? The tall trees have a woody stem and deep roots. The roots further branch and show the presence of tiny root hairs that absorbs the sap, which is a combination of water and salts from the soil. The amount of sap in the soil is high in comparison to the cells of the root hair. So the water and other minerals move inside the root cells. The cell wall of the root cells is semi-permeable. As a result, the water moves from one cell to another by cellular osmosis. Let's zoom in a little and observe this movement. The first cell has a higher amount of water and the second cell has a lower concentration of water. So the water from the first cell moves through the semi-permeable wall into the next cell by osmosis. For continuous water absorption, along with salts from the soil, root pressure is created and the water moves through each and every cell of the roots. The further transportation of water from root to leaves takes place through a special tissue called the xylem. The xylem consists of different types of cells: the xylem tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. The xylem tracheids and vessels help in the movement of the water from the soil to the tallest leaf. Xylem vessels are tube-like structures that open at both ends and are arranged one above the other to form tubes through which water from one vessel moves to the other. But what is it that helps them move against gravity? Transpiration. Transpiration creates a suction force pulling the water to reach the leaves from the roots. The xylem vessels act like a narrow capillary tube where water molecules adhere to one another like beads arranged in a string. Every time a drop of water is lost by transpiration, new molecules of water add into the channel. Root pressure, the formation of the water column through capillary action, and transpirational pull helps in the ascent of sap, which is the unidirectional upwards flow of the cell sap. The water that has now reached the leaves is utilized for photosynthesis. How cool! There's so many things happening within that plant body that causes the water to move from the soil to the leaves. Until next time.